Hi everyone, my name is XuYang. This is my project presentation for Amazon Web Service class. And here is my project target. It's to do online dynamic data visualization on AWS. Uh, for data visualization, data source is quite important. There are many data sources online, such as Wikipedia, the OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Or you can find some weather information from Wonderground, and such as the Open Knowledge Foundation organization, or some data source from government. Different data sources means different data processing way. Some data sources offer downloading static files, such as the CSV or JSON format. And some website offer API data access way. Or you can develop your powerful web page script spider to get information directly from the web page, such as you can say, and for this is college scorecard data source. It's all for API for get data online. That's the way I used in my project. Also, you can go to OECD website to download the CSV files, and or you can go to Wikipedia to scrap data directly from its web page, such as academic awards. You can just directly get data from the web page. For example, you can get data from this web page to get which is the best actor, which is the best picture. You can scrap all of the data, including the images. Yeah. And after getting data from different data sources, there is a job to do is to do clean data or reorganize data to the use of my own project. Python has powerful tools such as NumPy, pandas, but you also can do it by yourself. In my project, I do it in the lambda function and store the clean data into DynamDB. When you, after getting data, because I want to do the online data visualization, so I need to deliver data from the Lambda or from the DynamDB to the web page. And Python and JavaScript D3 both can directly import static files. Python also can use RESTful data with Flask. And in my project, I use for my web page on the S3 bucket, I directly call the API gateway to get data from Lambda function. Yeah, that's where that's easier and, simple. Python had great visualization tools such as library, such as matplot library or Pego, but you need to install the web server framework such as Django or Flask to do the web service. In my project, the simple way is directly use the static web page on S3 bucket, and the JavaScript can call API gateway to get data. Yeah, and these three could use this data directly. Yeah. This is my project final project structure. Yeah, I hosted a web page on the S3 bucket, and the web client side can through this web page to call request through API gateway to Lambda function. Lambda function can then will online get the data from outside data sources. In my project is datagov.com, yeah. And the Lambda function, after getting data, the Lambda function will do some data clean and the data localization job, and then store this data to DynamoDB for next use. If the next time, if the request has the same search condition, then Lambda function will read it directly from DynamoDB and return it to the web page. That will be more efficiency and quick. Yeah. If Lambda function cannot find it in DynamoDB, then it will call request to the outside data source to get data. Yeah. Let's see how my project runs. This is my Lambda function, and I will get data online from this data source. This is the data source endpoint. It's api.data.gov, and this is ED for education and for the college information. I will request the data according to the university, the school name. Yeah. Firstly, I will check if the record already in the DynamoDB. If it is, I will do some reorganize and return the dataset to the web page. If Lambda cannot find the data in DynamoDB, so it will do the request from to the outer website. So it will get the data online and do some data check and data reorganize, and then to store this data into DynamoDB and return the data to the web page. Yeah. This is my Lambda function, and this is and we can go to the DynamoDB to see what I get and what I store it in the DynamoDB. Yeah. Here is the DynamoDB, my school data. Here, I stored the data according their name and year because DynamoDB have the limitation, the data size limitation, so I must store it by each year. Yeah. This is this is the data I get it from online. Yeah, the data structure. We can say this is maybe this will be more clear. This is the JSON structure of the data I get. This is for Harvard University. Yeah. Here you can see the different year data and basic school information. This is the basic school information. Yeah. And for the year, such as 2012, you can see there is the completion data, the earnings data, the cost data, about the student information data, about the academics of this university, and the admission and aid and the repayment, the loan repayment information. One, two, three, four, eight category. Yeah. Let's say the academic. Yeah, you will see the academic. This is the different each major subject the contribution rate of the degree. Yeah, and this is the different kind of degree, the certification. Yeah, the 1 year, 2 year, 4 year, bachelor, master, and doctor degree, and associate. This is the associate degree. Yeah. So this is the structure, and let's see how my data visualization work. Here is this is my web page address on the S3. Yeah. First we can input the school name. For 2014 academics, they get that. Yeah. Here the basic school information, and here is the data visualization. Yeah, you can see this is a subject name. Here will be the list. Yeah. For math and mathematics, you can see for mathematics, it has one bachelor degree and one other degree, maybe master or doctor. Yeah, and for the compute, there also one bachelor degree and one degree. Yeah, and there is no 1 year, 2 year, or 4 year certification. Yeah. For the humanity. Yeah, humanities, there have 2 bachelor degree, 2 degree, and 2 associate degree. We can also, if you don't know exactly the school name, you can search it, such as you put a star at the end or at before. That's the same, both work. Yeah, we can search the school name, which including Boston. That will take a while because the search will be online. Now we found 8 schools which match the school name Boston. Boston College, Boston University, Urban College of Boston. Yeah, we can choose one to make the query. Yeah, let's choose one for 2012 academics. Let's see. Yeah, here is about the Boston University. Yeah, for the education, math, business, business marketing, language, visual performing. They both have one bachelor degree and one degree. And yeah, that's for Boston University. Or we can say for 2014, Boston University, how it goes. Are different. 2014, the change, they have they have uh, they have a 2-year certification and a 1-year certification. Yeah, that was some change in the academics subject settings. Yeah. Also, we can search the University of Washington. Give us, yeah, search. Now we have found 3 schools which match the University of Washington. Here, the University of Washington Seattle campus, University of Washington Bossier campus, University of Washington Tacoma campus. We can choose one, such as the Seattle campus. Let's see what it will look like. Yeah. Here is the now. This is the subject, or much more subject. For communication, architecture, language, business marketing, legal, English, yeah, philosophy. They both have one bachelor degree and one other degree. Yeah. How about 2012 campus? Oh, it's also the same, near same, yeah. And if you import just something, you cannot find any data. Yeah, we cannot find any data of these things. Yeah. Actually, right now I just do the academics visualization. Actually, we can do earning, cost, and completion, but my time is up. Yeah, because I spent too much time on choosing which way to do the online data visualization, and yeah. And another reason is such as for the earnings. Let's say the data structure. Here is for earnings. You can see the data structure is not so good. The 8 years after entry and the 10 years after entry have different data structure. That's the issue. And the 6th year is same with 10 years. Is same with 10 years. With 10 years, they have a same structure, but 8 years has a different structure. Yeah. So the problem is who will we this data cleaning and the organization job. How we do? I mean, to do it on Lambda function or to do it on server side, use the batch job. Yeah. I think my opinion is the Lambda plus the API gateway plus S3 can offer flexible microservices to as much as more possible to the customer when it these are the ones. Yeah. And the data scrap, clean, and reorganize is kind of a heavy job. I think it's to do by the server side, to using Python powerful tools to do it. And to form more efficiency and powerful data sets to form into a good basis to support the flexible visualization. Yeah. That's the future improvement, future structure. I think it will be quite good, will be better. Yeah. I think we can use the EC2 plus Python plus NumPy plus pandas to do the data collecting and data clean, data reorganize, and uh, and and store this cleaned data into S3 or DynamDB, and to form into different data set for different purpose. Then Lambda plus ATL gateway plus root 553 can offer a more friendly interface, more flexible and friendly interface to different customer to offer different microservice, use a different data set. And I think this structure will be more healthy and more flexible and more adaptable to the customer's needs and the customer's wants. That's my opinion. Yeah. So this is my project. Thank you.